How to delete Facebook account in PC or laptop. If you want to delete your Facebook account on your PC, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all open your browser and go to facebook.com. Once you go to facebook.com and log into your account, click on your profile icon from the top right, go to settings and privacy and just navigate to settings. Once you go to settings, this is the type of interface that you will see where you have to simply go to the option called see more in account center. Once you go to Account Center, you'll land on this page where, of course, all you have to do is go to this option on the left hand side that says Personal Details. From Personal Details, you can see Account Ownership and Control. Select that. From here, select Deactivation or Deletion. Now, from there, you have to select your Facebook account from here. And once done, you can just choose this option that says Delete Account because by default, Deactivate Account will be selected. So when you select Delete Account, you can just hit the Continue button right here. And once you've done that, you can select your reason as to why you want to delete it and just hit the Continue button, enter your password, verify it, and your Facebook account will be successfully deleted. This way you can delete your Facebook account from PC laptop. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.